So now today's class, till yesterday we have finished collective delivery. I would like to show you one more time how it works. Let's go to the sales order screen. Let me try to create couple of orders. We'll take the same customer and material. Okay, let's copy this. Let's try to save this. Okay, so 20414 204 20414. Okay, just copy this. Let me save this and let me try to create one more. 20414. Two zero four one four. Press enter. I have created a 3 orders now. Now go to the transaction for collective delivery. VL10A we go. Okay. There, see, as I said that, creation rule. This is what we have taken. Either if you'd like to take all orders which is got created, okay, and due for shipment today and tomorrow, let's keep this one. So 27 and 27, the shipping point is the main key point to determine your collective delivery. Let's see this. So let me try to take, maybe date might be differs. Let's delete this. Let's execute this one. Now you got all these 3 orders. So let's try to take delivery first. Let's try to, I'll make it maximum 10th. 10.05.20022. Okay. So last latest delivery date creation is further in future not faster than allowed 30 days. Okay. See, we have created today these 3 orders. Okay. 4 we don't want, I don't want to run it for everything. 04.042022. Let's copy this. Let's see this. So we got all these 3 actually goods issue delivery priority is showing here, right? Your ship to party, because I don't want to take all the documents which is unnecessary. Now it is showing in green, right? Let's select this, click on background. Background automatically for this, all these 3 open orders delivery document will be created. Okay, once this is done, you click on log for creation. So under this group it is got created. Now let's choose the documents and select this and display document. It will show one by one. Now if you'd like to do the delivery, like, it is got combined because of your ship to party is same and your material is same and everything is same. Okay, let's try to do the picking. Okay, do the ports goods issue. So I have done like this. Now let me try to show you one more scenario for collective delivery. Like, either it can be, one second, either it can be combined. If parameter matches, it won't combine also. Okay, let's save this order. Okay, let me share the screen again. I will show you one more time because I'm trying to create one more scenario. Okay, I have created one more sales order 20417. Okay, let's leave about that 20416 previously created order. Let me show you the doc flow. See, now the doc flow is this 20414. From there it is copied. I created this order and I have done the delivery and picking and post goods issue. Let me show you one more thing. VL02N. Here you can able to see all the orders. Previously we have created 414, 415, 416. All these three orders combined. Now I would like to show you because your ship to party is same, quantity is same, shipping conditions is same, and everything is same. That's why it is combined. Now I would like to show you. Okay, if I go to VA02 21467, I think I have created this order. Okay, so let me try to create one more order VA01. So let's go here, same distributor. Let me try to take the uh, probably I can take this guy. Okay, so I'm just taking another one. Okay, so I have taken the material is not defined. Let me take another material for a difference. Oh God. So I do one thing. XD01. So like what is our account group? I think this is the one we have created. Let me copy. I will show you different scenario with different distributor. So let's copy this. Okay. Let me take distributor, existing distributor is this. Okay. Let's take this. So I'm just trying to create it. Okay. Let's press enter. It's not created. Let's take this one 4. Okay. Reference is D0001. I think we have created this one. I don't want this. Let's cancel this. I think we have created account group as D. Okay. Sold to. This is what we have created for Dhruvan. Let's press enter. Mr. Chiam. Hi. He is from another some kind of transportation zone. So if you see the sales area data, it is exactly the same. He is also distributor. Okay. So you got your partners. Let me save this. So taxable, no issues. So I have created a distributor like, ends with 11. Okay. So ends with 11. Let me try to create order for this guy. Okay. We have taken these two different distributors. Now you go to VL10C. Okay. So if you go to VL10C, what is your shipping point? Is this one. Let's try to create it. So let's try to create it for, so maybe 01. Let's try to remove the rule. Let's execute. See, now we got all these things. Okay. We want only for these two. By default, 417 and 418 we have created now. Okay. I don't want others. Let's give the date as today's date. Let's copy here and execute. One second. Maybe let me try to keep it 5th. See, if any open is there, then only it will give. Now, if you see, we got 2 deliveries and about 2 open orders. Apart from that, one more also got it. Let's try to process it. If you see, this distributor is this one. This is also another distributor. This is also we have created. How the system behaves. Now, select all. Click on background. See, now it is generated. If you see here, so this is what it is generated. Now go for log. How the system behaves. See, now it is created previously only one because parameter matches. Shipping point is same and ship to party is there same and shipping condition. And the parameters, if it is matching at delivery level, it will try to combine. Otherwise, it will try to create separate ones. Okay. So while creating, if you get any error, right, error message, it will come. If you click notes, you can able to see this. Okay, we have everything all right. From the shipping point, this is gross weight. Let's click on the document. See, previously you have 3 documents got combined. Now you have a separate ones. Now if you'd like to choose one by one, okay, you have to choose the picking. Picking, you can able to do it. Let me, I can able to, I will show 2 scenarios here. So individually you can do it or else select it. You can able to do the, so you can, let me share the screen. You can able to do the picking or else automatically. Let me try to show you. So we are here. Now come to the change. So let's come here. So I'm not going to do the post goods issue. I would like to show you one more scenario for the second delivery, third delivery also. Let's go to the display document, go to the change mode. Let's try to do the picking, but okay, don't do the post goods issue. So first one I have done post goods issue. Second and third one I didn't do anything. Let's try to see. There is one transaction called VL. One second. VL10. Oh, one second. VL10G. VL01 and see, this is for your purchase order display, like VL10A, VL10B, and VL10C will be there. There is one more transaction. Let me try to check the path actually. So now if you come here in logistics execution, okay, logistics goods issue for outbound delivery. So picking, if you come to the picking, okay, different things will be there, like if you would like to do by using your warehouse management and all. At the similar way, if you come here, shipment transactions will be there and loading will be there. And if you come here, VL06G is there. Okay, so if you click this one, okay, so what are all the deliveries which is got created and picked and but due for post goods issue, that's it is going to show you. If I click this, you can see our 2 outbound deliveries are coming. Why I'm telling this one, at institution level they won't give explanation about this one, but it is also important in real time. You have a chances like VL 06 O, P and G they used accordingly. Fortunate or unfortunate, if you are there in a logistics execution project, you will learn this. That is a different story. If you click this, so it is asking like, let's go to the goals movement or not. Okay. So one is successful, one is incorrect. Green means successful. Why it is incorrect? You select this and check the log. Maybe the material stock is not available. Okay. You can pause the stock and you can able to do it. This is how you can able to play with the system. Okay. So then we have VL 10A we have seen. This is at shipping point. You have a sales orders. You can able to give the sales order. Material level also you can able to filter your deliveries. So VL 10B, this talks about your purchase orders. Purchase order level also you have a purchase order, stock transfer orders. Okay. If you go to VL 10C, if you come here, so you have a sales orders, item level, sales order item level also you can able to filter this. In the similar way, VL 10D also will be there. That is for again purchase order item level. A and B header level, C and D your item level. So if you come here, VL 10G we have seen for our collective processing. In the similar way, VL 10P will be there. This is for VL 06P. Okay, this is for picking actually. You see, outbound delivery is for picking. So there is a standard configuration only. We can able to do the automatic picking also. At this point, there is no relevance to explain. So VL 10 VL 06O. Okay. So you can able to see different things loading, and this is the combined transaction for your outbound delivery monitor actually for inbound deliveries or outbound delivery. Now, if you go to inbound deliveries, you will have all these things, all the deliveries. Okay. This is all about your delivery. In delivery, there is something called VLPOD will be there. Once we can able to create the bill, I will explain you what is VLPOD. So if you would like to perform that one, I would like to do what I would say accounting determination at billing level. This is all about your delivery process, and delivery process, as part of delivery process, returns also will be there. I'm going to cover that one once billing is over. Okay. So delivery level, what we can able to discuss. I think as of now, these are the things sufficient for delivery. When the time comes, we'll get back to you for further discussion. So maybe we can cover route determination today. I'll try to explain you. It is a simple concept. Go to SPRO, reference IMG. Route means like, you're determining route for your customer. Okay. So it's, if you do mistake, it won't work properly. It's a bit tricky. Let's try to check. So if you come here, there is something called shipping or transportation. You come anywhere, like, you can able to find that configuration. So in that, basic shipping functions. Okay. Within that, there is something called routes actually. You can able to define the routes actually. First, define the modes of transport. What is the modes of transport? How you are going to do the your shipping type? Like, through road you would like to deliver your goods. Through train you would like to deliver goods. Simple. Through sea you would like to deliver goods. Okay, and air and postal service. This shipping type will be there. All these are standard shipping types. If you'd like to define your own, generally you will send through road, rail, sea, or inland. Sometimes through postal service. Like, if any specific scenario is there, you can able to do it. So there is something called that is shipment type. Shipping type. This is for um, uh, category for your dangerous goods actually. Okay. Let me show you the help what it talks about. Okay, mode of transport category. So generally, I told you right, when you are defining something with 2 digits or 4 digit code, in whatever the internal code, if you'd like to talk about this one, that you have to take like this. In standard, what are all and all there? So all these there, inland water cargo, rail cargo, different things are there. Let's try to see one simple example. So if you would like to define, you can able to define like G1 road dr transport. Okay, so you obviously will choose the your shipping type is road. Okay, see actually we can able to show the standard for a difference. I'm just creating one entry for G1 is there. So next comes your shipping types. So shipping types, so shipping type whatever, suppose if it is there, like what kind of vehicle, through which vehicle you are sending your goods, like on road, truck, minivan, or else some kind of so if you see nowadays Zomato and all these things, they are traveling their food through bikes. Such a case bike also will come. So this is old SAP, then you don't have bike and all these things. So truck or mini truck or crane or something, container or different kind of things you are going to do this one. So so if you go to new entries, so let's take this one also, Z1. Okay, so let's take minivan. Okay, so we are sending with minivan. So our mode of transport is this one. So for this, your category will be roads. So that's why, see, this is something called shipment type procedure group. As of now I'm choosing standard. There is one concept called in shipping, like if you go to the deeper level of shipping, like if you'd like to become logistics execution, that is also will be there. That we are not going to cover as part of our this thing, because that will take to another direction. Okay, if we have time, then we will see this. So this procedure group, what it will do in pricing, like the road is traveling, so we have three parameters, out of which this is also one of the parameter, like to determine the cost based on the distance or something like that. Okay, sometimes it might be fixed value and all these things. Like here also it will follows the condition technique. As of now it is not relevant to discuss about that one. If you go to the help, what it talks about, let me share this. See, in this activity define shipping types, truck or truck with trailer, plane or ship. Okay, so this is the one he said, we did the same thing. Okay, let's come here. We're going to define transportation connection points, like from where to where you would like to deliver your goods. Okay, so maybe I can take new entries. Okay, so dr01. Okay, so from Germany, some plant one or something. So when you're transferring the goods, right, like you're loading and unloading, you will do what exactly you are going to do. So I'll just it might be airport level, you will do loading and unloading. Train station also you do loading and unloading. Okay, border cross point or Sri Harbor, inland port, anywhere you can able to do it. Okay, let me take this one as a load transferring point. Like if you'd like to mandate this is particular customer, so then you can able to do it for vendor, or else it is for particular shipping point, that also you can able to do it. Okay, so maybe let me try to do it 2727 shipping point. You can able to do it, or else you need not do it. Let me show you some examples. So this is basically one loading point. In the similar way, if you come here, if you try to select let me try to select the block and let's click this, you can see this, nothing will be there. So only point you can able to define. And if you'd like to make it, if you fix this is the fixing point for this, you can able to fix it. See, now you see customer office someone has kept, like load transferring point, water brand, this is wrong actually. So all three won't be there, one point will be there. Okay, so transportation connection point, if connection point is there or not, it doesn't make any sense. Now go to define routes and stages. This is where the importance will comes into picture. Okay, now I'm just selecting these ones. Okay, I'm just copying. If you would like to define, you can able to define your own. Okay, let me try to define. So the okay, 01. Okay, Germany to, let's take the France. Okay, Germany to France. If we, this is additional parameters somewhere, like while creating your shipping, right, that time it will be useful. Okay, you can use maybe something railway route, railway grid, some additional parameters. All these are like comes under shipping. As of now we don't require. So if you'd like to choose the calendar, when it need to be traveled, so there is something called transit time, travel duration, transportation leading time, all these things will be there. What is the maximum weight allowed for this route? Okay, like that. Let's click this. Route determination you can able to do in two levels. One is at sales order level and another one is at your delivery level. Okay, as of now I'm not going to give all these things. So like departure point means the place where your goods is leaving. Destination means like the place where goods is reaching. For example, from your plant you are sending the goods that is reaching to your customer. Departure will be your plant and destination will be your customer actually. So routes and transportation connection points, if you'd like to add, you can able to add here. Okay, your transportation connection point. Okay, now this is about the routes. Maintain stages for all routes. So this is basically, it will talks about like so let's select this. If anything is like parameters missing, it will show. So this for our route determination, as of now, for basic concept we don't require. So whether all stages get determined or not, it will talks about that. Okay, so we haven't defined any stages, that's why it is not showing anything. Now next thing is route determination. Okay, so it is like how you are going to determine. So there is something called transportation zone. Transportation zone is like you are sending, suppose your plant is located in certain area like east, your plant is located certain area like west Bangalore or east Bangalore or west Andhra Pradesh, east Andhra Pradesh, like that. You can able to do the geographical division. Okay, so based on that, in between two zones your actual goods delivery will happen. For example, okay, I'm just taking the transportation zone. Okay, DE, so D0001. So at the time of creating customer, I think you can able to find this one. Okay, let's take east zone. So for Germany only, I'm just taking another zone like west zone. Okay, let me save this. Let's try to check in the similar way for France. Okay, for I'm just trying to define like east zone. I'm just giving sample actually. So whenever you have a client requirement, you can able to define accordingly. Okay, let's do let me for a difference north zone. Okay, it shouldn't be one and the same. Let's keep this. Let's save this all four zones. Now let's come here, maintain country and transportation zone for shipping quantity. So this is which talks about like from which transportation zone your departure is there, from where your goods are living. For example, if you go over here 2727, so we have this is from Germany. So like for this Germany, what is the zone we have defined? Our own zone. Let me keep it. This is the zone. Okay, let's save this. So you can able to choose from shipping point. That means it is happening between zone to zone. So now in this example, I'm taking the Germany. Now transportation group. For transportation group is very important. Why? Because it is in material master. So what kind of vehicle you are using? Like sometimes it's a one of the parameter from material master, like container, or else it is in liquid form. Okay, based on that, all liquid kind of things, or else frozen means refrigerator, or else some dangerous goods will be there. So petrol and all these things, suppose if we don't wanted to separate it, if you're doing the business, okay, then based on the government norms, or else certain precautionary this, so chemical products like that, you can able to define our zone. For example, this is simple one, G001, like snacks. There is nothing like that. You can define it. So it is already existing. Let me put it G triple nine. So how it is going to connect you? I will show you in your Metal Masters general data. Okay. Now you are grouped all your products, all similar kind of products. Suppose if I am doing chemical business, I can able to take. Suppose if I am doing the petrol business, like Reliance, I will do path. If I am selling the clothes, I will have another transportation group. Okay. So weight group is very important. Like based on the weight, you are going to calculate your logistics price. Suppose 100 kgs delivery transportation, you required one vehicle. Suppose 10 tons, like some 10,000 kgs, you required one vehicle. Based on the, like weight, and weight also you are going to determine the route actually. Okay, so generally weight, when the relevancy comes into picture, for example, you created order, so there I don't have any relevance of the weight in sales order, but the delivery, obviously it should be required. If you apply your common sense, why it is required means, so actual weight you are loading by using your delivery document, not sales order actually. At the time of delivery, for example, 100 kgs are there at sales order, but delivery level you might increase or decrease. Based on that, your shipment price also will be calculated more or less actually. Okay, this is all about your weight groups. If you would like to define, you can able to define your weight group. This is the one of the parameter it is required to determine a route at your delivery level. Suppose if I take a weight group up to 100 kg, suppose if I define this, if I select this, maintain details of your weight group. Okay, so let's take an example. Let me select all these things. So let's delete this. So now within this, if you go to new entries, so up to, okay, suppose 10 kgs, okay, you can able to choose the weight group. So you can able to choose the different weight groups also. Suppose I'm just creating, assume that it is 100 kgs. Okay, so the similar way, if I take 10 kgs, if I define weight group, I have to define my weight group. Based on that, I can able to choose it. So up to 10 kgs. Okay. So let me choose another weight group for an example. 100 is there, 10 is there. Okay. If it is above that, 100, like if it is 1000, 101. So an entry already exists. Okay, let's keep this. Okay. So based on the parameter up to 100 means I can able to choose this one only. I don't require above and over actually. So let's delete this. Based on weight also I can able to determine. So let's select this up to this one. Okay. Now this is the one of the key important step we required actually. Okay. Let's come here. So order means without weight group. Delivery means with weight group. Okay. So you can able to do it. Before that, you go to new entries, country of the departure. So from where goods are leaving, this one, your departure zone, whatever the departure zone we define for our shipping point, we have defined it as, yeah, this is a zone we have taken, east zone. So your destination country. So a destination, let's assume that our customer base belongs to some kind of France. Where is F? Finland, yeah, France. Okay, for France. So I'm going to define my receiving zone also. What is my receiving zone? So now I have defined my own zones, right? So I'm sending to the north zone as well. Okay, this to this here. Now if I select this, once I decided that I would like to send the goods from here to here, if select this is important step. How your route will be determined. See, it is happening in between your Germany to the France. Now come here, I can able to define my shipping conditions. So your transportation group, so like what we have defined, our one we have defined, right? So I'm just taking this one because this is from your customer or document type. This is from your material master. So what is the route I would like to determine? So we are going to determine our route. Where is our route? This is a Germany to France we have defined. Okay, like that you can able to define n number of routes. Okay, so if these parameters are satisfied, obviously route will be determined at your sales order level. Okay, so another one is weight group. Again, if you go over here for a difference, I'm just choosing the shipping condition to same transportation group what we have defined. Okay, for a difference I am just taking another parameter, otherwise you think that it is copied from your sales order only. So let's try to check the same transportation group. What is your weight group? We require a weight group. Delivery means like, so up to 100 kgs we are saying. What is our actual route? Actual route means again your route only what you have defined. For actually you have to practice all these things for showing the scenario specific. I'm just doing all these things because logistics is a portion you should have some knowledge, like if you get into the logistics project. So this is 02 I have chosen, this is 01. Why? Because I would like to show the difference. I can able to choose the same thing also, no issues. So let me try to go to the data first. Okay, so let me try to take the same customer. So because this guy, till now we have said that he is from Germany, I'm just changing into France because I'm sending my goods from Germany to the France. Okay, choose any region, no problem. So your transportation zone, now if you can see all France ones it is coming now. What we have defined? We have taken north zone. Let's press enter. So check the data process dependent on new country. No problem. It's just a warning message. I am saving this. Okay. Okay. So my distributor is available in France. Now let's come. Now we'll back to basics. Actually, I'm showing you something which you have already seen past few months. Let's come here, enterprise structure. So go to the definition. Let's come here, logistics execution. Let's come to the shipping point. What is our shipping point? Shipping point is our departure. 90% consultants will confuse about what is shipping point and so what is departure and what is destination. If you see, our departure zone is this is the what we have defined. Either you can, if you assign there, that will come here directly. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay, so we are doing between Germany and France. Now let's try to go to the material master. So for this material, we'd like to determine what I would say. So now what we have to do is for this material master, like if you come here, let me show you last sales general actually. So we have a loading group and a transportation group. Like in a few days back, I still now I'm assigning the standard one. This is one of the key parameter to determine your route actually. See, generally you can able to take it like which vehicle or else which kind of operator you are lifting the stock and all these things. But for example, I'm just taking this one. Let's save this. Now let's try to check how our system behaves. So before that, let's go to the this one. I would like to check the shipping conditions also. So 01, no problem. Okay. Now let's create a sales order now. So now let's take the same customer. Press enter. Okay, let it be. Mandatory condition MWST is missing. Now let's go to the shipping. See, now your route is coming. Previously it is not there. If we see, because I have given all parameters correctly, it is coming now. Okay, let's try to make it VK11 MWST. Now it is like export taxes. So DE. So I'm just calculating tax to France. So this one, let me make it some, what it's saying. Let it be 1%. Okay, let's save this. Now you don't get that error also because I have maintained a tax for condition record. Still missing. Okay, this is something interesting for me. Now let's go to the analysis. So now let's try to check. So D France. Okay, maybe someone is done again. V/07. People are changing the settings actually in standard. MWST. Let's change this. Let's remove all this stuff. Yeah. Now I think it is coming. If I check the incomplete log, I don't have anything. Let's try to do the delivery now with the same France customer. Okay. So let's go back. Try to make it this one as 10th, no issues. Okay. Say, if you come here, come to the transport. Okay. Route, it is copied. Okay. But if I don't want it, like, as of now, it is correct because whatever the route chosen at order, that need to be determined. But delivery level, suppose if you increase the weight, it need to be uh, uh, determine different route, different kind of scenarios will be there. So now let's try to check here. If you come here, let's come to our configuration again. Let's try to determine the route directly at the delivery level. That's what I would like to show you. So sales, not sales and distribution, come to logistics execution, come to shipping, come to basic shipping functions. If you come here, routes, so route determination, maintain route determination. So this is the route determination. Let's go to the change mode. So ours is shipping point 2727. If we come here, so let's go to the change mode. Let's go to the position again. See, too many parameters are there here, like, to search actually. But generally, if you come to DE fast east in France zone with weight group, if you come here, what we have chosen, this is 02. Okay. Now let me go to the simple. I'm just changing for scenario in shipping 02. If it is not determined, I'll just need to do the research why it is not determined actually. Suppose if I change this parameter out of the parameters, which for sales order route determination, now route won't be determined at sales order level because I said that, order level, my shipping conditions are 01. Now if you come shipping, so you don't have route, even I don't have my shipping point also. Let me determine the shipping point first. So let's come here. So if you try to go to sales and distribution, okay, so I again come here, logistics execution, come to shipping, basic shipping functions. So if you come here, shipping point and goods receiving point determination, so assign shipping points. So if you come here for 02, your loading group, let me try to connect my laptop charge. So loading group, so loading group is 003. I'm taking the plant is 2727 and my preference shipping point is also 2727. Okay. If I have this scenario, also shipping point need to be determined. Let's see this. So let's double click this. So your shipping point is coming. Route, it won't come. Why? Because at order level, we have chosen the shipping conditions as 01. Now let's try to do the delivery now. Now let's go to the transport. Now see, your route is coming at the delivery level. Okay. Now you got it out, like, weight is 50 kgs. So that's why it is coming. So what we have chosen, Up to 100 kgs we have chosen. Let's try to do this scenario also. Now let's go to VA02. Try to increase the weight as some kind of 1000. Okay. So if I say 1000 packs, what is the weight it is coming? Weight I can able to see in my sales B. Oh God. So it is showing, I think this is 5000 kgs. Gross is 50,000 kgs. Let me make it 5000 packs. Why we have to, we are checking the negative scenario. Let's go to the delivery. See, there is no route. That means up to 100 kgs only we are choosing that route. This is how we have to test it. Route determination. What is the basic parameters you need it when it comes to configuration? So let me go back. I'm not good at remembering the transaction codes. So if you come here, there is something called your logistics execution, shipping, basic shipping functions, routes, route determination, maintain route determination. So you at a conclusion, you have to remember this one. Any route if you choose for that matters. So you require a shipping condition, transportation group, and proposed route. Whereas your shipping condition, transportation group, and what I would say, it will come like your weight group also. This is how you are going to determine the route actually. That's all for today. Thank you.